Assalamu alaikum. This is Tasin Rahman.
This is Alvi Mahmood Sami.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afshin Siddiqui. I'm from Shourov's Academy.
Hello. How are you? I'm by Shab. F for family. F for fan. F for farmer. F for. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maisha. I'm from Shourov's Academy. আজকে আমি K sound দিয়ে 5টি শব্দ গঠন করব. Let's start. K for keyboard. K for kitchen. K for kettle. K for kind. K for king. এখন আমি শব্দ দিয়ে সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করব. K for kitchen. I cook in the kitchen.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahsanul Atuhin. I'm from Shourov's Academy. আজকে আমি পি দিয়ে 5টি ওয়ার্ড তৈরি করব, যেমন P for pen, P for paper, P for potato, P for pilot, P for plane. P for potato. I love potato. T for teacher, T for tent, T for taxi, T for table. T for tiger. I'm scared of tiger.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Afshin Siddiqui. I'm from Shourov's Academy. আজকে আমি L দিয়ে 5টি শব্দ তৈরি করব, যেমন লাভ, লাইক, ল্যাম্প, লক, ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ. L for like. I like to play football.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Afroja Akhtar Urmi. I'm from Shourov's Academy. আজকে আমি BF দিয়ে 5টি শব্দ গঠন করব. So let's go. F for father. F for fan. F for family. F for fan. F for fine. F for fish. F for fan. F for fish. এখন আমি একটি বাক্য গঠন করব, যেমন F for father. I love father. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Usman. I'm from Shourov's Academy. C for cat. C for computer. C for cable. Hello guys. Assalamu alaikum. This is Tasin Rahman from Shourov's Academy. D for dog. D for doctor. D for duck. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.